Hey everyone, welcome back to NonnyPlus, where we make coding very easy and very simple. So in today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most important topics in programming, which is the operators in C Sharp. If you're just starting C Sharp for the first time, please relax yourself. We're going to be breaking this down step by step. So first of all, what are operators? Operators are symbols that are used to perform operations on variables and also on values. They help us to do things like math, comparison, logic checks, and more. So let's look at the different types of operators in C Sharp. So if we go to our normal mathematical um, class, we have different operators. We have the plus, we have the minus, we have the equals to, we have the division, we have the multiplication. So these are operators. So we have different kind of operators. So first of all, let's go into the first operators, which is the arithmetic operators. So these are the one we use for our basic maths. That is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, we have the plus sign. The minus sign is an arithmetic operators. The multiplication sign, the division sign is also a what? A arithmetic operator, and also the modulus is also an arithmetic operator. So everything you are doing in the math class, all those operators is what we'll be teaching here in C Sharp. So we're going to be diving into some examples so that we're able to understand how these arithmetic operators work. So let's dive into our Visual Studio environment. So look at, if you can see my screen, you can see the Visual Studio environment. You can see the last class we did. Um, where I gave you guys assignment. I was able to give you the answer to the assignment I gave you guys. You can see the answer to the assignment I gave you guys, and also we're able to look at different kinds of comments: the single line comment, the multi-line comment, and the XML documentation comment. So first of all, so let's comment all these codes out. So if you want to comment all these codes out, so you can just press Control A. Want to press Control A. So you go to this menu. You can see where my cursor can this menu. Click on this where they write comment out the selected lines. So once you click on it, all my codes have been commented on computer. So I've already commented this my codes. In case you miss it, let me go back again. If you want to comment all your codes, so you can just click on the Control A. Control A will mark all, will copy all codes here. Then go to this menu. Can see my cursor. You say comment out the selected line. So click on it so it will comment all my codes. So let's go into different example we have for the arithmetic operator. So let's first of all let's declare our variables. Let's say int a is equals to 10. Please pay attention because we are going to the arithmetic. We are doing mathematical formula on C sharp right now. So let's pay attention. So let's declare our variable int a is equals to 10, and let's say is equals to int b is equals to 11. Let's say, yeah, let me use 3. So int a is equals to 10, int b is equals to what? 3. Please, are you getting it very well? So we are declaring our variables for us to see how this arithmetic operator works. So let's now display these lines of code on our. So after you have declared your variables, int a equals to 10 and int b is equals to 3. So let's dive into the mathematical formula, the arithmetic operator. So now let's write our console dot write line. You can see a plus b. Let me write another one, console dot write line. Let's say a minus b. So we are doing we are doing what they call mathematical formula, that is arithmetic operator. We are adding these two values, these 10 and 3. We are subtracting these two values, these 10 and 3. Let's go to the next one, console.write line. Let's say a times b. Please follow me. So if you want to write console.write line in a shortcut, just press CW and press tab. Once you press tab, so the console right line will come out in full. So what is the next one? A divided by B, and the next one, the last one, we have the A modulus, sorry, modulus B, that is, yeah. So these are the five arithmetic operators we have: the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, and also the modulus. So what we will be doing now, we'll be checking our results. So you can see, first of all, you declare a variable in A is equals to 10, in B equals to 3. So for the first one, you say console the right line A plus B. A is what? 10, because we have assigned 10 to A. B is what? 3. So this particular answer, 10 plus 3. So the answer will give you, let me write a single line comment: addition. I'm just telling you the answer. Addition is equals to 13. Let's go to the next one. We have console dot right line A minus B. That is 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 will give us subtraction is equals to what? 7. So the next one is multiplication. So let's write our single line comment: multiplication. Multiplication is equals to 10 times 3 is what? 30. So the next one is division. That is 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3. 10 divided by 3 is equals to 3. Yeah, 10 divided by 3 is equals to 3 point something. Yes, 3 point something. So let's just say 3. Then we have a console right line 8A modulus B. That is division. Let's go. That is not division, that is modulus. Remainder, let's say modulus is equals to 1. That is the remainder. What remain after it has been divided? That's what this modulus mean. So let's say remainder. I think I'm right. Yes, I'm right. So remainder. Okay. So these are the arithmetic operator we have. The different kinds of arithmetic operator: the addition, the subtraction, the multiplication, the division, and also the modulus. A, we declare our variable int A is equals to 10, int B is equals to 3, and we did this following arithmetic operator. So let's run an application. Let's see the results we have for this 5 example we did here. So click on this play button on the menu. Let's see what the answer will be if I'm correct. So we have 13, 7, 30, 3, and 1. Beautiful. So you can see 13, 7, 30, 3, and 1. This is what they call arithmetic operator. We are adding two numbers, we are subtracting two numbers, we are multiplying two numbers, we are dividing two numbers, and also we are having a reminder of two numbers. So these arithmetic operators are useful in calculators, in games, and anywhere numbers are used. So you can use this arithmetic operator to design a calculator, and also to design a game, and also anywhere numbers are used. So let's go to the next operator, which is the assignment operator. So let me close this. So we are done with this one. So let me give this arithmetic operator. Sorry, I'm trying to, let me just write it down. Arithmetic operators. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This is our arithmetic operator. The next one is assignment operator. That is the next one we're going to look at, is the assignment operator. Let me write it down here. Assignment operators. Okay, so the assignment operator, these are used to assign values to variables. So I'll be writing some example. I'll be declaring some I'll be declaring some variable here with some example. So this particular assignment operator make your code cleaner and shorter. So let's say, for instance, we have a int x is equals to 5. We have x plus or equals to 3. We have x plus, I'm just taking it simple one after the other so that I will not get you confused, minus is equals to 2. So this equals to sign is an assignment operator. So we are assigning this value to this name of this variable. So this 5 is assigned to this name of this variable, which is x. So let's say, let me say, you write it down. We have equals to means, please assign 5 to x. That is what this one means. Assignment operator means we are making use of this equals to sign. That is equals to sign is an assignment operator. We are assigning this value to this name of this variable. So the next one we have here is x is equals to x plus 3. So now x becomes, don't worry, I'm going to explain this. Just let me just write it down. X become 8. So what that means that we have already assigned this 5 to this x. So x now is equals to 5. So the next variable I declare, so the next line of code is x plus and equals to 3 means that x plus 3. I don't know if you are getting me. It means that this x plus equals to 3 means that x is equals to x plus 3. Anywhere you see this plus and equals to means that x is equals to x plus 3. I don't know if you are getting me. First of all, we assign a variable which is int x is equals to 5. That means this 5 is assigned to this x. So the next line of code, we are saying that x plus is equals to 3, which means that this x now is equals to x, that is 5 plus 3. Anywhere you see plus and equals to means that we are adding the plus to the value that is assigned to these variables. So let me break it down for you again. We have int x is equals to 5. That means equals to means assign 5 to x. So this x now is now 5 on line 91. On line 91, x is now 5. So we're now saying 5 plus or equals to 3, which means that 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. So now this x now becomes 8. I don't know if you are getting me. So x is equals to x plus 3. That means x is equals to 5 plus 3 is equals to what? 8. So the next one we have here is an x minus equals to 2. That means that x is equals to x minus 2. X minus 2. So now x becomes 6. Beautiful. So x becomes 6. I don't know if you are getting me now. So these are assignment operator. First of all, what we did in line 90, we assigned 5 to x. And the next one, we did an increment. We added 3 to x. And the next one, the 92 line on line 92, we minus what? 2 from x. Remember, I don't know if you are getting me. Okay, let me start over again so that I don't get you confused. So this is an assignment operator. Equals to is an assignment operator. So first of all, we say int x is equals to 5. That means assign 5 to x. So now x, the value of x now is now 5. So if you go to line 92, means that we are adding 3 to x. That is x is equals to x plus 3. That's what this line of code means. So if x is equals to x plus 3, that means x has a value of 5 in line 90 and we're adding 3 to it. So x now becomes 8. So the value of x now have changed from 5 to what? To 8. So we'll go to the next line of code, which is 92. So we have x minus is equals to 2. So x in line 91 is 8. Then we have minus, we are taking 2 from x. So we now say x is equals to, what is the value of this x? This value of this x is 8. So 8 minus 2, which is x, now becomes what? 6. I don't know if you understand. I'm just trying to explain how you understand it better. Or let me go over it again so that doesn't I don't get you confused. Let's start over again. So let me start over again so that I don't get you confused. So this is an assignment operator. So we use equals to assign a value to the name of a variable. So we have an integer. Name of the integer is x, and the value assigned to this x is what? 5. That is in line 90. Then line 91, we are now saying add 3 to x. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 5. So we're now adding 3 to the value of x. That means x plus 3. So x now becomes 8. That is 5 plus 3 is equals to 8, or 91. So x has a value of 8 now, not no more 5, because we have added 3 to x on line 91. So x becomes 8. So the next line, that is on line 92, you know that x is now 8. So we are now minusing 2 from x. So what is x? X is 8. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. So x now has the value of what? 6. So the value of x now is equals to what? 6. No longer 5, no longer 8, because we have done a series of what? Addition, and also a series of what? Subtraction, to get the value of x. So this is an example of assignment operator. So if I want to um, print this on console.write line to give me the value of x, so if I say x, the value of x now, you can see what the value I'll get for x now will be 6, no longer 8 or 5. So let's run an application and see what the value of x is. You can see the value of x is what? 6. So this is complete mathematics. So you have to pay attention for you to be able to understand how arithmetic operator and also assignment operator works. So this is very easy, very simple. Just follow through and pay good attention for it. So in our next class, I'll be going to the next operator, which is the comparison operator, and also we have the logical operators. So first of all, for now, let us just go through what we have learned, understand it. That is the assignment operator and the arithmetic operator. I don't want to teach everything, all the 4 operators we have in this class, so that I don't get you confused. Let me break it down into 2. So in our next class, I'll be teaching you the logical operator and also the comparison operator. So what we have done so far is the assignment operator and also the arithmetic operator. So that is all for today's lesson on operator. So make sure you don't miss the next class for us to go into the next 2 operators we have. So if this has helped you, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a C-sharp tutorial. Drop a comment below with what you want to learn next. NonnyPlus, coding made simple for beginners, coding made easy for beginners. See you in the next video.